Hey y'all, how's it going? Well, it is Wednesday. We're heading out for a little date night. We're going to go to Outback Restaurant and have a little bite to eat. And
look around.
We may go to Gander again.
I know one favorite place I want to go, which I'm not sure.
I think after supper we're going to go to Green Frog Coffee
They have
Company.
good coffee.
They have great coffee. So we're looking forward to that. We'll probably. I know we gotta do a little bit of grocery shopping, just a little bit.
I mean, it's a couple of things.
Just a couple of items that we need to get. We're just going to Jackson, Tennessee. We'll see you guys. Hey everybody.
Hey, hey.
We are getting a little food at Outback. Look guys, that's what's left of our blooming onion. The shells over there.
I got a mouthful.
She got a salad.
I did have a salad.
And she did have a salad. It's gone. Hey everybody, it is eating time.
It is time to eat.
I have the, I don't know if you can see this.
It's the lamb.
No, this is the shrimp and chicken pasta.
Yeah.
Michelle has the chicken on. We're gonna enjoy this and do a little more shopping.
Good. The sun's right in my face, so it's kind of hard to see.
It's good.
What's good?
It's expensive.
It
I
is.
think I'd come here without a debit card. I mean, excuse me, a gift card. But
Yeah.
it was good. It was spicy,
good.
very spicy. Even my pasta was spicy. But
Well, he gave me a little bit of his chicken, and it was spicy.
We're gonna head to Gander Mountain again. Check that place
Just
out.
a look.
We're back at the store. This is the camper. Me and Michelle are going to buy us a pull behind. This would be it.
It's actually pretty nice.
Pretty cool.
I like the sofa.
Sofa's nice. Box. And my favorite part is look at this down here. Look at the huge window. It went all the way down to the seats. Guys, the evening continues. We are
Left Gander.
we've left Gander. We said we wasn't gonna buy anything. We're just looking, but we kind of lied. We did buy something.
Well, we needed it.
We got a lifetime supply of
Puppy dog. I got the Dirty Snowman.
what is a dirty snowman?
Basically, it's just chocolate flavored cold coffee. I got sugar free. It's got Cool whipped cream and like the caramel sugar free syrup. It's very good. Headed back, aren't we?
We are.
Belly's full.
Coffee in hand.
Belly's full.
Bellies are full. Ready to go back to see little puppy dog.
And
see
we
Tucker.
even have a treat for puppy dog.
We've got a little doggy bag for the T-Man.
Yeah. My
So
leftover chicken.
We're gonna head back to the campground and get away from all this asphalt and city life and get back to the campsite and settle down, enjoy evening,
Yep.
and sip on our coffee for a while. Hey everybody, it is a rainy day, rainy Thursday at Chickasaw State Park. Been raining pretty much all morning. It's going to rain all day.
All day.
Michelle and I both are reading books. I'm reading a book, Flight of the Intruder. Michelle, what are you reading?
Between Heaven and the Real World. It's actually pretty nice out here.
It is. It's very nice. The weather's not bad at all. It's cool. It's very cool. But it's just sometimes we just like to sit out here and watch the rain come down.
Very relaxing.
It is. It's relaxing. We'll read for a while. We'll probably go in and maybe pull out an old DVD and watch a little TV. But that's kind of it. There's not a whole lot you can do on a rainy day, and it's one of those things that kind of forces you just to relax. You know, it's amazing. You know, you think, oh, it's going to rain, it's spoiling our trip, but you know, sometimes you got to look at rain as a blessing time to just slow down and just live life by the moment, and not have to be in a hurry, just relax and enjoy the day.
Hey everybody.
What's up, y'all?
Hope you're having a good afternoon. It is Thursday. It's about almost 4:15 according to the clock in here. We got a little cabin fever. Y'all know how that is. It's raining basically since about 9 o'clock this morning.
It's raining. I mean, just a solid, steady
day. You hear
rain.
me? Just some stuff to keep our mind off of the rain, because we can't really do much. I mean, it's just wet. We can't fish, can't swim. Well, I guess we could, but you know, it's just
Good day to be a duck or fish.
Or fish. But we'd be wet if we got out and fish.
We thought we'd get out and do a little road, just do a little riding.
Yep.
Got Tucker Man with us.
Yep.
We went to the local Dollar General store and got a couple of DVDs.
Yep.
To watch.
Headed down Highway 100 back to Chickasaw. We did get us a couple of stickers. I'm not sure where Anthony stuck them, but anyway, we got a couple of stickers we're thinking about. When we camp, we have a little place in the camper. We got to figure out where, but we're going to start putting them
like a sticker board.
Like a sticker board, I guess you'd say. But anyway, we're just checking in with you guys. We get back to the campsite. Anthony's going to get ready. We're going to have steak.
2 ribeye steaks. I like to cut steaks. And these are cabbage steaks. Just cooking in the Blackstone, guys. So easy. Guys, we really do love this Blackstone. It is so easy to cook on. It is so convenient. It does such a great job cooking breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever you want to cook. The options are wide open. It is a really good buy. We bought ours at Gander Mountain for $79.99. We got it on sale. We actually were able to get a free Good Sam membership. They took the price of the membership off of the grill, so we got the grill for $59, and we paid $29 for the membership. But I highly recommend this grill, and you guys need to try it out.